Today we're making mushroom rice. It's quick and easy, lightly seasoned and loaded with mushrooms. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy and welcome to our kitchen where we share with you recipes which impress with ease. Now let's get started. For this recipe we're going to go in with 1.5 cup of Basmati rice and now we're going to wash it under water till the water runs clear. Now that we've washed the rice, we're just going to empty it into a bowl and fill enough water so that the rice gets soaked. We're going to leave it aside while we prep the other ingredients. A lot of flavor of this rice comes from the garlic, and if you're using big garlic cloves like this one, you can use about 4 to 5, but if you're using smaller ones like this, then about 6 would be a good number to go with. We're going to go in with 5 of the big garlic cloves and we're going to mince them fine. Since we want just the flavor without getting the garlic pieces in our mouth, we're going to cross chop it till the garlic gets finely minced. And now we're going to slice up 400 grams of mushrooms, and I'm using the brown mushrooms here. You could even use white mushrooms if you had that handy at home. And you don't want to cut them too thick or too thin. Just want a medium cut. I have already wiped and cleaned the mushrooms. When cleaning mushrooms, it's always better to wipe them than to wash them under running water, because when you wash them, they tend to release a lot of water when you cook them. To a heated skillet, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And to that, we're going to add 1 large onion, which I've finely sliced. Now we're going to saute the onions till they turn golden in color. And I've got the heat on a medium-high. Okay, the onions have turned nice and golden. So we're going to toss in the chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. We're going to give that a quick saute before adding in the mushrooms. And make sure that you've got your heat still on a medium-high. And now we're going to saute this till the mushrooms get cooked. To cook mushrooms perfectly, make sure that you're always cooking them on a higher heat, and the salt is to be added right at the end. Because if you add salt in the beginning, the mushrooms have a tendency to start releasing the water. Now we're going to add in the rice, and we're going to give it a quick stir before adding in 2.5 cups of low sodium vegetable broth. And now we're going to season it with salt. I'm going to put about 1.25 teaspoon of salt and freshly cracked black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. You're going to give that a gentle stir because you don't want to break the grain of the rice or break the mushrooms. Now you're going to lower the heat to medium, and once it comes to a rapid boil, you're going to cover it up and allow it to cook till the water gets absorbed by the rice. And once the rice has absorbed all the water and it has cooked, we're going to switch off the heat. We're going to cover it up and keep it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to rest. For an added flavor, we're going to finish it off by squeezing a little lemon juice on it. And we're going to sprinkle on some parsley. And I'm going to keep some for the garnishing at the end. Now very gently, you're going to just mix it up and loosen up the rice. Make sure that you don't break up the grain of the rice. See how beautifully it has cooked. Can you see the long grain of the rice? Beautiful. Want that lemon juice to get well distributed, and also the parsley. At the same time, we are also loosening up the rice. Now all we have to do is plate it and enjoy it. Before serving it up, we're going to garnish it with a little more of the finely chopped parsley. Oh my goodness! Look at that! And now it's time to give our mushroom rice a taste. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already and enjoy trying recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's give the mushroom rice a taste. Wow, it's looking so yummy. I'm gonna get the mushroom in my spoon. I've got 2, it's a bonus. This recipe is a winner. It comes together in minutes, and the rice is so well flavored, and mushrooms are my favorite. So this is definitely going to be on a repeat every week. If you've reached this far, you definitely loved the recipe as well. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, or you can hit on the link in the description box below for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.